you from across the room.
Oh my goodness, I'm in love with these nails. What's up, beautiful babes? Welcome back to Sugar Fingers. Absolutely Sugar Fingers today, beautiful babes. Oh my goodness. If you're new to the channel, I don't know why you're new to the channel, because you should have been here. If you follow your girl, you should have been here. But I'm glad you're here now. So welcome in. Come on in. Come on in. Hey, introduce yourself in the comments. Let me know where you're tuning in from. City, state, your country. That would be great. Look here, y'all. Today is a special day because I am introducing to you some fabulous nail polishes from Madam Glam. And the 4 shades that I'm wearing are from their Wanted collection. Yes, it's a new collection for spring 2021. I'm excited about it. I want you to see what I got. So come on down and let me show you what I am wearing today. And look, I'm just going to pause for a second. I need you to do something. Yeah, very important. Very, very important. Subscribe. It's free. It don't cost you nothing, so why not? Why not? I promise I won't bore you. I promise I will not contact you when you're not ready to hear from me, only when I have something good, and today is it. Let's get to it. And beautiful babes, today I'm not only going to share with you these beautiful nail polishes, I'm going to do my nails right before your eyes. Yes, let's get to it. So as you can see, I've already prepped my nails and I am ready to get started. This is my box of goodies, and if you've been here before, you know that it comes in this beautiful black and gold box. Madam Glam, New York. Everything you love at your fingertips. And I was lucky to get blessed with 4 different shades. I'll go ahead and just bring them to the surface right now and get them out of the box so that you can see how beautiful they are. And I always mention this, how I love the packaging of the Madam Glam nail polishes. And I love that the color of the nail polish is right on top. Yes, that makes it so easy. This is the 4 that I have. How about if I just simply let y'all see the colors before I actually apply them? That'll make life so easy. All right, I thought I wasn't going to open that. Yeah, I almost didn't. Look, this is beautiful. Spring colors right here. That is a beautiful kind of a tangerine orange shade that is called Lioness. So beautiful. And this, oh my goodness, is a beautiful shade here. Very neutral tone. You can rock it just about everywhere. And this one is called Hera. And yes, this new collection is sheer and pearlescent. 10 beautiful shades. And next up, this one. So pretty. Again, spring colors for sure. And it's called I Got It From My Mama. Oh my, y'all know my daughter will love that. I got it from my mama. And it's a pink too. Oh yeah, that's her through and through. I gotta watch this one because I think she'll probably swipe it. Swipe or no swiping. And the final one that I have is called RBG. Yes, let's take a look at it and see what it's working with. All right. It's a pretty sheer, kind of a lavender tone nail polish. And these are the 4 beautiful, sheer, pearlescent colors I have to work with today. I'm just going to kind of keep it simple. I'm going to do one of my hands, just applying the nail polish without an undercoat of any color, and my other hand, my right hand, I'm actually going to put down a white polish before topping the sheer pearlescent color on top. I am going to be using the Madam Glam base coat and also the Madam Glam top coat to do my nails today. So it's Madam Glam all the way. Yes, beautiful babes, this is definitely something you would like to probably check out. These are sheer pastel colors for spring. Yes, that is amazing. This spring, Madam Glam didn't want to follow the trends. They wanted to discover them. Now what you have is this, the Wanted collection. Yes, it is. If you're looking for a subtle way to elevate your manicure and discover new designs, Madam Glam's experts have predicted that this March, the collection should definitely be on the nails radar. And this Wanted collection, y'all, is all about freshness and a touch of luxury. And I have to mention, this is all vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free, and palm oil-free formulas. Listen, you'll find in the Wanted collection 10 new sheer soak-off gels. All you'll need is your own imagination, so just use it. They're waiting for you right on Madam Glam's website.
Saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't.
And there we are, beautiful babes. I will have my link down below for you. Check it out. Also, I have a discount code for you, 30% off. You'll get that as well. So y'all, go ahead, get your Wanted collection polishes right away. You'll be glad you did. Spring is on its way. I promise you, the world is going to open up again, and you want to look fabulous. You want to have those hands looking gorgeous. Yes. And I am here to share with you some amazing nail polishes. Madam Glam, they got you covered. All right, beautiful babes, you've just been glammed. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, bringing it to you like no other right here on Sugar Fingers. Please make sure you stay in the know with me. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and by all means, y'all know we've expanded over here, so keep that hair, the face, the hands, and the feet looking gorgeous. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.